Hello, viewers and crypto community. YouTube channel Crypto Fighter is back with an amazing and groundbreaking project. Today we are going to discuss an amazing project that is Dark Pino Coin. So dear friends, in this video I am going to explain each and everything about this project. So this video is going to be very informative. Don't skip any part of the video. Before diving into further details, I would request all my viewers and crypto loving community, if you are new on my YouTube channel Crypto Fighter, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. In this way, you will be able to get the notifications of the further upcoming projects and details. So dear friends, here is Dark Pino Coin, DPino. In a world dominated by mainstream meme coins and copy-paste projects, something truly unique is emerging from the depth of the Solana blockchain. Dark Pino Coin, DPino. This is not your average meme coin. Dark Pino represent a full-blown cultural movement. It blends crypto utility with meme-powered virality to create an ecosystem that's fast, decentralized, and dripping with personality. Whether you are a hardcore Dajan, a meme collector, or just someone tired of the same old coins, DPino gives you something different: an identity, a community, a cause. Powered by the ultra-scalable Solana network, Dark Pino offers lightning fast transactions with near zero fees. It's fun, fast, and fearless, exactly what the crypto space needs. So dear friend, this is Dark Pino, DPino. It's an amazing project and you are going to get the handsome chance of getting profit. So don't miss the chance. Dark Pino, show the light. As Pino, I give everything, made the ultimate sacrifice only to be cast aside. Betrayed and forgotten, I embrace the darkness now. As Dark Pino, I rise not just for revenge but for redemption. From the shadows I hear my own destiny. Dark Pino is not just a meme, it's a reckoning, and in the end I'll show you the light. How to buy? So first of all, we will see how you can buy. Follow these easy steps to become a Dark Pino holder. So dear friends, first of all, you will have to create a wallet. Visit solflare.com and follow the simple steps to create a new account with the Solflare app or the browser extension. So here is Solflare app. Just go to it and download the Solflare app and be part of this amazing project. So you can also download Solflare Chrome extension, and here is available your wallet, your kingdom. Just create your wallet and be part of the Dark Pino. So here is next step: get some Sol token. To buy DPino, you need Sol in your wallet. Purchase Sol on Solflare, transfer from another wallet, or buy on another exchange and send it to your wallet. And the third step is swap Sol for the DPino. Tap the icon in your phantom wallet and paste the DPino token address. Swap your Sol for DPino. And the last one is you are now a DPino holder. Welcome to the Dark Pino army. So dear friends, next option is Jupiter, and you can get Sol token and you can get buy DPino on Jupiter. So here is an amazing platform, Jupiter. You can check the details of DPino on Jupiter. Here you can check. First of all, you will have to connect your wallet. So here is the link given. So first of all, you will have to connect your compatible wallet, and then you must have Sol token in your wallet, and then you can buy DPino. So here you can see if we have 10 Sol token. Here you can see we can buy 150740 DPino token. Here you can see, just you will have to connect your wallet and you must have Sol token. So one Sol is equal to 15074 DPino meme coins. Here you can see, and here you can check, just 0.1 fees equal to 0, and this is very smallest figure of fees. So don't miss the chance. Be part of this project, and DPino is going to be very amazing project for you. So here is how to buy DPino, and here you can check the tokenomics of this project. Total supply is equal to 1 billion, and here you can check the token address. Just copy the token address and get connected with the trade of Dpino, and here you can check 0.25 tax for liquidity, LP bond and mint and freeze revoked by Dpino. Here link is given. So dear friends, here is social links of the Dpino project. So I will explain how you can join and how you can buy. And this is an amazing project, and its features are Solana based, zero central control. It's a meme culture powered and compatible with leading wallets, hype packed launch and low gas high speed projects. Its features are amazing. Don't miss the chance. Be part of this project. And now I will suggest to all my viewers to follow the social media pages of this project. And here is the Dark Solana, that is Dpino on Twitter. Just go to the Twitter and follow the official page of Dpino, that is Dark Solana. You can get latest news, announcements and real-time updates about the Dpino from here, and I would suggest to follow this page on Twitter. So here is official Telegram community of Dpino community portal consisting of more than 530 subscribers. So be part of this community and get the real-time updates about the project. So don't miss the chance. Be part of this project. And here is an amazing feature of this Dpino YouTube channel. Just subscribe this channel and get the latest news about the Dpino. So dear friends, it's an amazing project. Don't miss the chance. Be part of this project. And in the end, I would suggest to all my viewers, I am not your financial advisor. So do your own research before investment, because crypto and NFT project are highly volatile. So it is better that you should do your own research. So thank you for watching the video. Let's catch up very soon with the next amazing video.